Alright everybody, how's it going? Looks like we got another little project going on here in the garage. Let's see. I bought this 1999 Cavalier here for 300 bucks. And I guess I'm going to see how long I can drive this thing for. Air conditioning works is one of the main reasons why I bought this thing. But it has a blown transmission. So I'm in the process of pulling the transmission out right now. Yeah, it's really not bad of a car for $300. Here, I'll put up the Craigslist ad, and you guys can take a look at it, read it. I'll post it for like 10 seconds, and you can either pause if you want to read it. If not, yeah, just let it go. But anyway, so this is the car so far. I'm in the process of pulling the transmission out. I got my Harbor Freight engine holder. So far, it's pretty easy, man. I mean, this is, compared to working on like a BMW or an Audi, this is like kindergarten stuff right here. The only thing I didn't like was the detent cable, the kickdown right here, that goes to the throttle body, which is up there now. That was one huge pain in the ass to take off, but once I figured it out, not too bad. Let's go take a look down here. It's all dirty. It's been sitting outside for a while by the time I finally got to it. Air conditioning stuff, you can see down there. Everything's brand new as far as the air conditioning goes, even the evaporator inside there. So as soon as I saw that, I said, all right, I'll buy this. It's got 140,000 miles on it. It's a 2.2 liter. It's not bad for $300. I mean, come on. There it is. I got the battery undone. Has a couple little problems, like that crack in the bezel, but I can get a new one of them for like 20 bucks. That's no big deal. Crack up there. I was looking on eBay. They're $15 for that piece that goes around. Seats and everything are in good shape. I'm 6'1". I fit in this thing, no problem. No rips, no tears. Everything's in decent shape. You know, except for those couple little blemishes, but that's no big deal. Back seat. Oh, the paint's fading right here. I'll just re-clear it. Here goes this. New floor mats back there. Back seat's okay. Yeah, not bad. He became a little alien on it. So that's my new buddy, the alien. Project Alien here. Well, not bad. It's all dirty because I had it sitting outside for a while before I finally had time to pull it in here. So I'm working on it. It's Friday night. I got a ton of stuff done to it. Tomorrow morning, all I have to do is just drop the remaining bell housing bolts, and this automatic transmission comes right out. Pulled out, let's see if I get a light up here. Pulled out, what do you call it, the CV joints. They're all out of there. Both sides. I mean, you could probably pull the transmission down and just slide this out when the tranny's angled. Let's see if I can get in there. Alright, my phone's shut off. Where was I with this? Yes, that's CV joints out. I was saying you could probably just lower the tranny down and pull that CV joint out without having to do what I did. But it literally took me, I'm guessing, literally under 10 minutes to pull them out. So I figured, why give myself a hassle? So that's where I'm at right now with this. Things been well taken care of, that's for sure. I got the Carfax on this. Owned by one person. All the way up until 2016. And that person, whether it's a he or she, probably a she, had everything done at the Wilton, Connecticut Chevrolet. So I have all the receipt, all the service histories on there. Then the guy I bought it from, he gave it to his kid. This kid blew the transmission up within a week. So here I go, I got it. So yeah, pull this out. I was looking on eBay. I could get all these transmissions, automatic transmission. I don't know. I guess it around 150 bucks, $100, whatever it can be. And I'm just gonna throw it in and see what happens. You know, this thing gets supposedly 23 city, 30 highway. And if you know my channel, you know anything I got out in my driveway, I think the best I'm getting is probably 14 miles to the gallon on any of my other cars. So yeah, this is gonna work. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Anyways, I'll update later on when I got more of the transmission out and so forth, and we'll go pick up a new one. All right, that's it for right now. See you guys later. All right, I'm back just for a quick second. I guess I just thought I never really stated what the goal of this car was. It's a nice little crap box, you know. The price is right, almost free, nothing. I'm gonna try to put no more than $300 for the car, another couple hundred for transmission fluid, stuff like that. Maybe a cheap Walmart stereo with speakers for like $50, and that's it. The tires are new, the brakes are new, and everything. And bottom line is, I'm just gonna try using this for a road trip car. Go around, video all the racetracks and stuff like that. Take it on road trip, you know, just road trips and drive it in general. You know, it's a nice little beater, kind of like what we used to have when we were kids, bar cars. Something you could just go. Who cares if you crash it? You know, it doesn't matter. Just I don't know, a real inexpensive car to go anywhere you want to go with. So that's kind of like the challenge to it. How long can I make it? Can I actually tolerate the car and make it? And how long will it last? What can you get off Craigslist for like $300? And how long will you be able to drive the car? And if so, can you sell it when you're done and make money on it? I'm probably going to drive it to the end of the summer, if that. It's right now March, I believe it's the 9th, March 9th, 2018. So if I can get, you know, a year out of this thing, I mean, by the end of the summer is only 8 months, so I might go longer than that, depending on how long it lasts. The motor runs spectacular. That's one good thing about it. Everything's fine here. So yeah, and that's it, pretty much. I just wanted to, you know, put what the general goal was to do with this car. Just a road trip car, who cares car, take it anywhere, have fun with it, you know. Like tinting the windows on the thing, I'll probably just do it myself instead of, I usually bring it in, have professionals do it. I'll do it myself. Who cares if it's crooked or bubbles, whatever, you know. Yeah, and that's it, man. So there you go. Next update will be when I actually have the transmission out of it, and probably picking up a new transmission, which will be sometime in next week. Today's Friday, so yeah, Monday or Tuesday. When you look on eBay, you put your zip code in, you put the closest one to you, and then you get a ton of them that come up, junkyards with the transmission. And then I'll just call one of them up and say, hey, you got blah, 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 got the tranny. And then me and a buddy will take a ride out there, pick one up. I'll bring this old one with me just to make sure I'm getting the right one. And yeah, and that's it. That'll be the next part of the video. And that's it. And one other good thing about this, taxes. Connecticut, they tax you bad out here. It's terrible, car taxes. You buy a car, you pay 7% taxes on it when you buy it. Then you pay taxes on it every year after that. So it's like you're never done paying taxes on the car. You already paid taxes on it. And like if you have a new car, you're looking at $1,500 a year in just car taxes. This thing, if it's over 10 bucks, I'm going to be up in my mayor's office demanding that this thing should be less than $10 a year for taxes. So that'll be funny. Insurance is dirt cheap for me, so I'm not even worried about it. I'll insure it as like a pleasure car, pleasure use, and only take it out on like I said, road trips and stuff like that. Probably get it for like $200 or less for 6 months of insurance coverage. I'm in my 40s, so insurance isn't a lot of money when you get my age. When I was younger, oh yeah, I had insurance payments of $600 a month. Believe me, I know. So anyways, this is it. See you next time. Will be when we're actually the video will start when I actually have the transmission out, Yeah, we might pull it apart and see what's wrong. These are chain-driven transmissions. I have a feeling the chain just broke on it. And if it's something I can fix myself, I'll give it a try. If not, I'm just going to go get a used one. Only because it'll cost more to bring it into a tranny shop to put a new chain on than it would for me to just go get a used transmission. So, anyways, that's it. See you guys later. Bye-bye.